it's Justinia from our Helpful Hues for Children's Emotions, and we're working at this series. Thank you for all the questions coming in, because they really are useful and helpful for your children. And we're looking at what colors support children in expressing themselves authentically and processing stressful emotions in a safe and supportive environment. Now that is really, really fascinating, because again, I keep on going on the topic that children will naturally gravitate to the colors that they feel is missing unconsciously, and they will automatically gravitate to that. But when we're looking at expressing themselves authentically, the children generally go for their blues and their greens to feel heard. But the reason why the two are together is because it's so important that the safe environment allows that opportunity to not have a response immediately, that they can actually speak it through without a critical response. So, if you're a teacher and you are saying, yes, but you did this, yes, but you did that, the only way you're going to get that is by not having that response initially to begin with. Also, what generally helps is your child's personal relaxing activity that they enjoy. It will get a lot more out of them. So, for example, if a child loves to be tickled on the back while they are busy talking to you, or if a child loves to have a bath and has their hair washed, or if they like to cuddle with you and lie with you before you fall asleep, things like that can also be a bit of a distraction while they're talking and opening up to you.